California recognizes that we have some of the worst air quality in the nation. The Natural Resource Conservation Service is working with agricultural producers to implement conservation practices to help us keep our air clean.
I'm Ted Strauss. I'm the Director of Air Quality and Energy Conservation for the USDA Natural Resources Conservation Services. The National Air Quality Initiative is used in California to assist producers with replacing their high polluting agricultural equipment that operate on diesel engines and replacing them with the newest fleet, the cleanest fleet available. We can see anywhere between a 70 and 90% reduction in emissions, if not more, by replacing the old equipment.
So Larry, how's this new tractor working out for you?
Oh, it's great, Dave. It's very reliable, very clean. I love it. It's been a great deal. My name's Larry Cruff. I grew up in Salma, California, in Fresno County. Still lived here my whole life. I first heard about NRCS many years ago, back in the 80s. We started the process of converting some of our vineyards over to drip irrigation, and we got help for some funding for that from NRCS. We farm about 550 acres of grapes, all grapes, mostly raisins, some wine grapes. We've had some other crops in the past, but now we're strictly grapes. We saw an article in the local Farm Bureau newspaper about possible funding for some tractor incentives to upgrade tractors, new cleaner burning tractors. And many of our tractors and our equipment was very old.
My name is David Durham. I'm the District Conservationist for the Natural Resources Conservation Service in Fresno, California. The grower gets a contract with us. They have to replace their old tractor with a new tier tractor that meets the emission requirements. The old tractor is destroyed and then the metal's recycled. They usually go to a recycling yard where they take the fluids out of them beforehand, and then they're crushed. There's a hole punched through the block and they're crushed. You can hardly tell they're a tractor.
This particular engine is a Tier 3, and all the new tractors I've got through the programs are Tier 3 or higher. All the tractors I turned in and were scrapped were all Tier 0. They were 30 to 40 year old tractors at least.
The success of the National Air Quality Initiative really couldn't be done without the assistance of our agricultural partners, the agricultural community, and also assistance from the San Joaquin Valley Air Pollution Control District, the California Air Resources Board, and the US EPA.